Welcome to Easy English with me. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with me. In the previous lesson, we learned many fruits and vegetables in English. Today, we're going to continue learning with useful adjectives and important verbs related to food. You'll also discover how to describe fruits and vegetables like a native speaker and test your knowledge with a fun quiz at the end of the lesson. So get ready to learn, practice, and improve your English. Let's get started. Let's begin with some useful adjectives. Sweet. Sweet. For example, this mango is sweet. Sour. Sour. The lemon is sour. Bitter. Example: grapefruit can be bitter. Bitter means having a strong taste that is not sweet. Bitter. Bitter. Juicy. Say it with me. Juicy. The orange is juicy. These carrots are crunchy. Crunchy. Crunchy means making a crisp sound when you bite it. Say it with me. Crunchy. Crunchy. The vegetables are fresh. Fresh. Say it with me. Fresh. Soft. This pear is soft. Soft. Hard. For example, the coconut shell is hard. 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 Ripe. Ripe means ready to eat because the fruit has fully grown and developed its flavor. Ripe. Say it with me. Ripe. Unripe. This avocado is still unripe. Say it with me. Unripe. Unripe. Delicious. Delicious. Repeat after me. Delicious. Tasty. Tasty. Say it with me. Tasty. For example, these cherries are tasty. Healthy. Healthy. Vegetables are healthy. Nutritious. Nutritious means containing many nutrients that help your body stay healthy. Broccoli is nutritious. Nutritious. Say it with me. Nutritious. Organic. Many people buy organic produce. Organic means grown without synthetic chemicals or pesticides. Organic. Say it with me. Organic. Natural. Fresh fruit is natural. Say it with me. Natural. Natural. Flavorful. For example, these tomatoes are flavorful. Say it with me. Flavorful. Flavorful. Flavorful means having a rich and pleasant taste. Refreshing. Watermelon is refreshing in summer. Refreshing. Say it with me. Refreshing. Tender. The asparagus is tender. Tender means soft and easy to chew. Tender. Tender. Crisp. Crisp. Crisp means firm, fresh, and pleasantly crunchy. Say it with me. Crisp. Crisp. Tangy. Tangy means having a sharp, slightly sour taste. For example, pineapple has a tangy flavor. Tangy. Tangy. Mild. Repeat after me. Mild. Mild. Mild means not strong, spicy, or intense in taste. This pepper has a mild taste. Spicy. Say it with me. Spicy. For example, chili peppers are spicy. Spicy. Nutrient-rich. Spinach is nutrient-rich. Say it with me. Nutrient-rich. Nutrient-rich. Nutrient-rich means containing a lot of vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients. Fiber-rich. Say it with me. Fiber-rich. Fiber-rich. For example, apples are fiber-rich. Pesticide-free. Pesticide-free means grown without pesticides. Say it with me. Pesticide-free. 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 Seasonal. Say it with me. Seasonal. Seasonal. For example, seasonal fruits are usually fresher. Locally grown. Repeat after me. Locally grown. Locally grown. Example: these vegetables are locally grown. Freshly picked. Say it with me. Freshly picked. Freshly picked. The strawberries were freshly picked this morning. Now let's learn some useful verbs. Eat. Eat. Drink. She drinks fresh juice every morning. Say it with me. Drink. Drink. Taste. For example, taste this mango. Taste. Taste. Cook. Say it with me. Cook. Cook. My mother cooks vegetables every day. Bake. I bake cookies on the weekend. Bake. Say it with me. Bake. Boil. For example, he boils potatoes for dinner. Say it with me. Boil. Boil. Fry. He fries potatoes until they are golden brown. Fry. Repeat after me. Fry. Slice. Say it with me. Slice. Slice. Peel. Repeat after me. Peel. He peels the orange. Chop. She chops the onions. Say it with me. Chop. Say it with me. Wash. Wash. For example, always wash vegetables before eating them. Grow. Example: my grandfather grows tomatoes. Say it with me. Grow. 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 Plant. Plant. We plant vegetables in the garden. Harvest. Harvest means to pick fruits or vegetables from a farm or garden. Say it with me. Harvest. Harvest. For example, farmers harvest vegetables in autumn. Buy. Example: I buy fruit every week. Say it with me. Buy. Buy. Sell. Say it with me. Sell. For example, the market sells fresh produce. Prepare. Say it with me. Prepare. We prepare a healthy salad. Serve. Serve means to give food or drinks to someone. Say it with me. Serve. Serve. For example, they serve vegetables with every meal. Order. Order means to ask for food or drinks in a restaurant, cafe, or online. Say it with me. Order. Order. Enjoy. Say it with me. Enjoy. Example: we enjoy fresh fruit after lunch. Great! Now, let's practice the vocabulary we've learned and see how much you remember. Question 1. What adjective describes a lemon? Sweet, crunchy, or sour? Pause the video and choose your answer. Great! The correct answer is sour. Question 2. Which vegetable contains iron? Spinach, cucumber, potato. Excellent! Spinach. Question 3. What does harvest mean? The correct answer is to collect crops from a farm. Question 4. Which adjective describes an orange? Yes, it's juicy. Question 5. What does ripe mean? Pause the video and choose your answer. Yes, the correct answer is ready to eat. Fantastic job! Today, you learned useful adjectives, important verbs, and completed the quiz. Now you can talk about fruits and vegetables with more confidence and use more natural English vocabulary in your daily life. Remember, learning English is not about memorizing words once. Review them, practice them, and try to use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching Easy English with me. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone!